There's just something about black lipstick that really gives me the power to scare off every single person that I know, and I love that. I love it. Hello everybody, welcome back to Making It Up. I'm Isa, and today we have a very fun, very Halloween-y video. I don't know where I was going with that, but yeah. Looking very dark today, and I am living, and also I have skulls everywhere. Love that. If you can tell, I'm very excited for Halloween. It's coming up next week, and I am just living. I love Halloween. It's one of my favorite times of year, and I love how dark it is. I love all the Halloween videos that come out and all the Halloween blog posts and all the Halloween decorations. I just love everything about this season, and it is true that there are so many talented people here on YouTube that do special effects, and they do super cool costume makeup. I am not one of those people, and it's kind of become a tradition on Making It Up to do a Halloween inspired look instead of an actual Halloween look because I don't know how to do special effects, and I don't think I'm ever going to because it's not my thing. So I definitely take a more subtle approach to Halloween looks, and this is the look I created this year. It's super cool, very witchy, witch bitch fall. Yes, it is. Thank you so much for asking. I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm just really into the look, and if you're someone who does that too and you don't want to, you know, maybe you don't really want to dress up for Halloween this year, but you still want to feel and look spooky, this look is definitely for you. So I'm going to show you how to do this. It is very easy, very simple. Just takes a lot of patience, but we'll get there in the end, I promise. So if you're ready for this spooky look, then make sure to keep watching. Okie dokie, so I'm going to start by priming my eyes. I have semi-hooded lids, so primer is really important so that I don't get that annoying transfer. I probably will get it after a while, but if I prime, it'll last a little bit longer without it. I'm using the Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion in Eden as always. And then I'm just gonna set that with some translucent powder. Before I go into the actual wing part of the look, I want to just add a little something to my crease because I just want to define it a little bit. And I'm going to go in with the All Natural Biba palette by Natasha Denona, and I'm using the shade Tusk as my transition, and I'm just applying this to my crease. If you're darker than me and you're recreating this, you might want to go for something that's a little darker, but this is just like a perfect transition for me. And also running a little bit under my lashes. Moving on to the actual wing part of this look, super exciting. I'm using the Maybelline New York Ice Studio eyeliner in Blackest Black. I don't want to use something like the Inglot Gel Liner in 77 because that is too, you know, it's too strong. We need something that isn't super strong because we're going to be smoking this out. So I'm going to just do a regular wing, and I'm not taking it all the way in yet. I'm just going to stop it a little bit over halfway, and then we'll see how it goes. Hooray for me because this should be even, but I'm not sure what's going to happen. Wing is done perfectly even, not really, but it's okay because we're going to smoke it out in a second. Now with that same black eyeliner, I'm gonna run it in my waterline, my tight line, and just below my lash line, like on my lower lash line, just a little bit so that the colors that we put on top will pop. So I'm gonna do that right now. Okay, so now we are going to smudge this bitch out. Going back again into the Biba palette, taking Spot, which is the, what is this called? Black one. And I'm just gonna smudge everything out with this accent brush from Real Techniques. Let's do that right now. And the key to this is to be patient. Don't go overboard, just be patient. If you want a smaller brush, do that. Just, it takes time, people. Also taking it on the lower lashes. After that is done, we're gonna move on into the purple, and I'm taking the Pat McGrath Labs Mothership Subversive La Vie en Rose palette, and it has this beautiful purple that just screams Halloween to me. Like, look at that, just wow. And I'm just gonna run that on top of the black just to, you know, make this look very Halloween-y. And if you want it to be a little bit more intense, you can wet your brush. I'm not gonna do that because I want it to be like super smoky and almost unnoticeable that it's purple. It is time for mascara. If you want to add falsies, you totally could. I think if you're doing this a little bit thicker, it definitely looks super cool with falsies. I considered falsies, but then I just put mascara on this eye, and I really like how spidery the lashes look. So I'm just gonna add mascara. I'm using the Tom Ford Badass Mascara. Love it so much, and I'm gonna apply a ton of layers of this and clump my lashes up a little bit. Cool, cool, cool. Once we're done with the mascara, the eyes are complete and we can move on to the face. My base is already completed. All I need is some cheek product and the lip. Since this look is very dark and like vampy-ish, I don't want to add blush. So all I'm going to do is contour and highlight, and we'll see if I need a little bit more color on my cheeks, but I don't think so. To start off with my contour, I'm using my Giorgio Armani A contour. I'm going to be layering. So this is going to be the first layer, and I'm just going to add this to the hollows of my cheeks and a little bit to the temples. Once that is done, I'm moving on to another like contoury bronzer shade. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette in Dulce de Leche. It looks like this, and the contour shade is quite cool, but it does have a bit of a warmth that'll add just a little bit of bronziness to my skin, which is exactly what I want. And I'm just gonna add this on top of the contour I already applied. Now for highlighter, I'm using this MAC Hyper Real Glow palette that I haven't used. And I'm going to use a mix of this like super like bluey shade and this very warm shade. And then I'm going to apply it to the high points of my face. I am also going to be applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. That was what I was forgetting. Once we're done with that, then the face is complete. I am going to add a little bit of setting powder. This is the Milani Make It Last setting powder. And I'm just going to apply this, and then we'll move on to the lip. Okay guys, so for the lips we have a few options. If you're into the super monochromatic look and you want the lips to be purple and you have a purple that's close to the purple that you applied on your eye, that was a mouthful, then definitely do a purple lip. I think that would be super cool. I don't have anything that matches my eyes and that really irks me. I'm actually gonna be doing a black lip. Hooray for me, because this is gonna be harder than the freaking eyeliner. So I'm gonna line them with a nude first. I'm using the ColourPop Lippy Pencil in Button, and then I'm gonna go in with the Sephora Matte Lip Cream, I think that's the name of these, in 28, which is black, and it's a really good black. It's the best black liquid lipstick I've ever tried. No! The lights went off! Why would this happen to me? As the power went off, I applied my Sephora Lip Cream in 28. This is how the lips look. I am vibing. This is very Halloween-y, and I am living for it. So now I'm gonna bring you guys up close, and we'll see the whole look, and we'll review it. Whatever. I haven't really done anything this dramatic in a while, and I am really loving it. I am living for this. My contour always looks fucked up on this side, never on this side, but love the wings. They're super fun, a little messy, but still, you know, they define your eyes. This is such a fun look. I really love how plain the rest of the face is because it's very Halloween-y. Obviously love the lip, and I am living for this look. I don't know, I don't know what to say. I just really like it, and I hope you guys do too. Okay guys, what are we thinking of the look? Do you love it as much as I do? Are you not really into it? I am obsessed. I feel like a witch, and I am ready for Halloween. This look isn't just perfect for Halloween. I think it could be a really good fall look as well. Maybe you can replace the lips. Let me know if you guys enjoyed this video by giving it a thumbs up. I'd also love it if you could let me know what you're gonna be for Halloween this year. I just love dressing up. So if you do that too, and if you celebrate Halloween, please let me know what you're dressing up as. And if you want to know what I'm dressing up as, make sure to follow me on Instagram because I'm probably gonna show you there. If you're into super easy and real makeup content here on YouTube, make sure to subscribe. I post that every single week and I love it. If you could subscribe and join my little community here on the YouTube space of life. Thank you guys so much for watching, taking a little bit of your time to watch this spooktastic video, and I will definitely see you in my next video, which is probably not going to be spooktastic anymore because Halloween will have passed, but it's gonna be really good regardless. So thank you so much. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah!